English Grundschule. Let's go to the zoo. Colors and animals. Let's go to the tigers. This is a tiger. The tiger is orange with black stripes. Let's go to the lions. This is a lion. The lion is yellow with brown hair. Let's go to the crocodiles. This is a crocodile. The crocodile is green with big teeth. Let's go to the monkeys. This is a monkey. The monkey is brown with a long tail. Let's go to the giraffes. This is a giraffe. The giraffe is yellow with a long neck. Let's go to the parrots. This is a parrot. The parrot is colorful, red, green, blue, and white. Let's go to the polar bears. This is a polar bear. The polar bear is white with a big nose. Let's go to the sea animals. This is a killer whale. The killer whale is white and black. Let's go to the elephants. This is an elephant. The elephant is gray and has a long trunk. Let's go to the snakes. This is a snake. The snake has a long tail. Who am I? I am gray and have a big trunk. An elephant, a trunk. I am black and white. A killer whale. I'm orange with black stripes. A tiger. A stripe. I'm red, blue, green, and white. A parrot.